If you've ever wondered whether you can gift a game you already own on Steam, the short answer is no, not from your library. Steam does not let you take a game that's already activated on your account and turn it into a gift for someone else. But there is a simple workaround, and there are a couple of exceptions you should know about. In this video, I'll show you exactly how Steam gifting works, how to send a brand new gift, and where to look for extra copies if a bundle includes one. If this helps, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Now let's get into it. First, let's clear up the main fact. If a game is already in your Steam library, you cannot gift that exact copy to another person. Steam keeps that license tied to your account, so there is no option to extract it and send it away. That means if you already redeemed the game, bought it for yourself, or activated it from a key, you won't see a button to gift that owned copy. So if your goal is to give the game to a friend, you'll need to purchase a new gift copy from the Steam store. Here's how to do that. Open Steam and go to the Steam store. Search for the game you want to gift and open its store page. Once you're on the game page, click Add to Cart just like you normally would when buying a game. After that, go to your cart. In the cart, you'll see the purchase options, and this is where you want to choose Purchase as a gift. Select that option instead of buying it for yourself. Steam will then ask you to choose who you want to send it to. Pick your friend from your Steam friends list, and if available, you can also schedule the delivery for a later date, like a birthday, holiday, or special event. After that, confirm the purchase, and Steam will deliver the gift directly to your friend. This is the standard and safest way to gift a game on Steam. Now let's talk about the exception, because this is where people get confused. Some bundles and special deals can include extra copies. A good example is certain 4-pack offers or older bundle packages like the Orange Box. In some cases, if you buy a bundle and already own one of the games inside it, Steam may give you an extra copy instead of duplicating the game on your account. If that happens, the extra copy may appear in your inventory. To check this, click your username at the top of Steam and look for Inventory. If you have an extra giftable copy, it should show up there as a Steam gift item. From there, you can send it to a friend through Steam or, depending on the item, send it to a Steam ID or email if that option is supported. But remember, this only applies to special bundle situations. It does not mean you can convert any owned game into a gift. So the rule is simple. If you already own a game in your library, you cannot gift that specific copy. If you want to gift it, you need to buy a separate gift copy from the store. And if you happen to receive an extra copy from a bundle, check your inventory because that may be giftable. That's the full answer, and now you know exactly how Steam gifting works. If this video helped clear things up, make sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss more easy gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.